Hi Gonzalo, what happened to you? You don't see very well. Hi Ignacio, so glad to see you. Well, I had a car accident the last Thursday. Oh my god, how was this happen? Did you break something? Relax, I'm okay, just very sore. Well, she actually crashed me. That woman should have a driving license. Lucky for me, the airbags did their job well. And also, I have the car secure. Wow, well, at least it's just a scream. And the repair of the car. And how it happened, you still don't telling me that. Well, I was driving for Kenneth Avenue on my way to work. There wasn't much traffic, so I was very relaxed, and meanwhile, I was waiting for the green light. And paf! A car from behind was hitting me with my car. When I was looking what happened, I just saw a red hood car and a lot of smoke coming out of it. A car from behind was hitting with my car. When I was looking what happened, I just watched a red hood car and a lot of smoke coming out of it. Oh my god, and did anyone get hurt? Well, I was driving alone, but she was making up in this car. So when she crashed with me, she painted all the face, and also she hit her face with the crash. I was driving alone, but she was making up on this car. So when she crashed with me, she painted all his face, and also she hit her face with the crash. When she got out of the car, she looks like a clown. Well, at least it is not going worse. But what she told you after that? Did she got an insurance? Yeah, so it's just a scream, as I said. And the time without my car. Did you ever have a car accident? Well, years ago, I go to the supermarket with my dad. He was driving for Abraham Street when a classless guy don't look his stop sign and passed away with our car. I broke my arm and it's been a little traumatic, but now I'm okay. I'm just trying to not driving so much. Wow, I can figure out how do you feel. I mean, in a short scale, but for this strike, I can move for 3 days. Doctor says it's a post-traumatic damage. Your body can feel it on the beginning, but as soon as you get relaxed, your body will strike you back. You will feel exhausted and battered. And they were right, because at the lunchtime I can move in at all, and I take my pills and I take a long rest for 2 days a week. Things happen. In my case, I had a little time in the hospital. Later, I don't went for school for a week. It was a mini vacation in that time, with my broken arm, but vacation at all. Airbags are better now, I can assure you that. You're right. And if you buy a car, you need to take a car insurance. People don't know how to drive. You're right. Well, luckily, it wasn't worse. Anyway, what time is it? I have a meeting at 6 o'clock. Give me 1 second. Uh-oh. Well, you have 2 minutes now. Oh, well, I have to run now. Take care of yourself. Don't worry. Take care of yourself too. And keep the alert. Accident happen and people call them. Yeah, I keep a note of that. Oh, I'm okay. Sorry. See you later. Told ya. Keep the alert. See you.